Now let's look at changes in value in exchange rates. Appreciation means an increase in price, and depreciation means a decrease in price. Now this does seem obvious, but these two terms need to be distinguished from a revaluation and a devaluation. Appreciation and depreciation result from market forces, or the market forces of supply and demand. But exchange rates can be influenced and determined by governing bodies. So a revaluation would be an official price increase, and a devaluation would be an official price decrease. To calculate a percentage change in value, we'll just go back and use the simple percentage change in value formula, where the percentage change in price, and that delta there, that triangle there, just means change. The percentage change in price is the ending price minus the beginning price divided by the beginning price times 100. So if we have the price of our hamburger changing from $2 to $2.20, we need to ask ourselves, what percentage change in price is that? Has the hamburger increased or decreased in value? Well, the hamburger has increased in value. The price has gone from 2 to $2.20. And the percentage change in price is that ending price of $2.20 minus the beginning price of $2. That results in a 20-cent change, a positive 20-cent change, given an initial price of $2. So 20 cents out of $2 times 100 is 10%. We can go into more detail of the pricing here and say that the percentage change in price is the $2.20 per hamburger minus the $2 per hamburger divided by the $2 per hamburger times 100 equals 10%. Now, it doesn't seem that we need to go into all this detail looking at the price of a hamburger, but when we get into percentage changes in values of exchange rates, it may be helpful to realize which value goes on top and which value goes on the bottom. Let's look at this particular currency exchange rate example, where we have the euro dollar at 1.3462 and it changed to 1.3587. Now again, what does that mean? The euro is the base currency and the dollar is the quotation currency. So that 1.3462 is $1.3462 per euro. And so the price of the euro has gone from 1.3462 to 1.3587. Another way to write that is our conventional form there, where the dollar would go on top and the euro would go on the bottom as the denominator. And so that ratio of the 1.3462 per euro has changed to $1.3587 per euro. So we ask ourselves, has the euro increased or decreased in value? Well, it went from 0.3462 to 0.3587, so the euro has increased in value. The percentage change then would be the ending value of the euro minus the beginning value of the euro divided by the beginning value of the euro times 100 gives us 0.9285%. Simple enough. Let's show this in more detail, expressing the ratios there, or the actual exchange rate, where we have 1.3587 US dollars per euro. That's the ending value of the euro minus the beginning over the beginning. So the same, it's looking at the same thing, just in more detail, showing the actual ratio of exchange.